Let's now take you on a tour of our state-of-the-art production facility designed and engineered exclusively for manufacturing Anilox rollers. From raw steel to the final engraving, CTS Industries' continuous focus on efficiency through innovative technology has produced advanced rollers without sacrificing integrity. The experienced technicians monitor every step as it is cut and machined in an extensively documented computer-controlled system. Continuous reinvestment in equipment and technology is located in our 53,000 square foot manufacturing plant. In the diamond grinding area, an Anilox roller or Anilox sleeve is ground, then highly polished, a step that has been enhanced several more times with honing and super finishing. The process has been created by CTS Industries and is unlike any polishing procedure used in the engraving industry. Our operation increases the endurance of the Anilox because we use diamond-based materials. We use fiber optic lasers with power ratings up to 500 watts, housed in dust-free, temperature-controlled environments, which means error-free quality control. Once the Anilox roller has been engraved and super finishing is completed, we create a thumbprint analysis. This analysis measures the LPI and volume of your Anilox roller, which is then printed on a serialized document with your Anilox's specifications. Special tools have been created in-house, which are one of a kind and are a major reason we have had such a major and dramatic impact within the flexo industry. Our trademarked EasyView Pro engraving specs allow you to view the LPI, BCM, serial ID, and any other particulars on the shaft of the Anilox roller on the operator's side while in the press. EasyView Pro eliminates print station magnets and operator error when choosing the correct Anilox for a print job. CTS Industries' Anilox manufacturing facility maintains an exclusive large inventory of current OEM brands for the fastest delivery in the narrow web industry. If you like our production process, then you'll love our service department. CTS Industries and RollerTech assigns a representative to each customer. Your history and information will always be at our fingertips, along with a recognizable voice or follow-up email each time you contact our plant. We at CTS Industries and RollerTech Incorporated want to thank you very much for the time you spent with us. We look forward to the opportunity to earn your business.